Greetings, and welcome to the Cummins Care Electronic Service Tools Training video series. In this video, we will be going over how to perform offline operations using the License Configuration tool. Offline operations can assist with activating, repairing, revalidating licenses and counts, and transferring keys. There are a few things you will need in order to perform offline activations, such as a computer with internet connection and the License Configuration tool installed, an additional computer without internet connection that has INSITE and the License Configuration tool installed, the applicable activation keys, and lastly, you will need a method to transfer the files between the two computers, such as a USB drive. First, you will select Activate Licenses and Counts on the machine without internet connectivity that has INSITE and the License Configuration tool installed. Then, enter the activation key in the provided field and select Activate. Next, select Yes in the pop-up window to create a request file to activate the license offline. The next step is to select and enter a name for the request file. You would then need to select Save and select OK in the pop-up window to send the request file to a license administrator to activate the license offline. Then repeat steps 2 through step 7 for each license that needs to be activated on the machine. Please note that you will need to use a different file name for each additional request file. Once the previous steps have been performed, open the License Configuration tool on the machine with an internet connection. Then you will select Browse and choose the request file that you generated in step 6. You will then need to select Generate Response File. Step 10 is to select a name for the activations file and select Open. Next, you will need to repeat steps 8 through 10 for each additional request file that you had previously created. You will now need to select OK in the confirmation pop-up window and then transfer the files using your chosen method, such as a USB drive, to the machine without internet. Please be sure you remember to transfer all files created for each applicable license. You will now need to navigate to the Offline Operations tab. Then select Browse on the computer without internet connectivity. Next, find the activation file made on the other machine and select Open. Next, you will select Apply Response File. You will then be asked if you would like to view the activated license. Select Yes or No. Please note, if you have more than one key to enter, select No and repeat steps 16 through 20 until all activation files have been applied. Cummins has made several support options available to meet your support needs. One option is to navigate to the Electronic Service Tools support page on Cummins.com. You may also choose to utilize our live chat by selecting the Chat with Support icon, or you may call using 1-800-CUMMINS to speak to us directly.